ki Pulit jangka SWGH Hill District limbaga SWGH Police Patrol Post kili aban kem sangut ki brio na Bangladesh ki blan ringtu sha India limba ki kot kisla ki blusushna Thok kat kum gidyo thu USP jangka SWGH Hill District le thu baikani ka Police Patrol le lam do SID kanta hajong hakapo bigireng ya para hakibenta khaput jangka India bat Bangladesh kini sangut lakam kat ba kideng ya daka bolero pickup ka badan yo registration number AS34C 0613 banyak dawe Muhammad Nur Hussein ubari unong song dang kasang nanda na po South Salman Para District Assam hadim lebat etik kalila talasi ki lalap santri ki Adhaar ibu Sushna Thok artali ki mobile phone rengkat ru bekedan bar ki Airtel SIM card la korup ru ki katuk ni kitiar ki brashna habat Bangladesh kini ki brashakam kilong Muhammad Jangkir Arfu Islam ka arta Ujaidul Islam lai fu Islam ka arta Muhammad Durul Ali lai punyo Islam Muhammad Murul Ali kakandai Islam bat Muhammad Babu Sheikh Arfu Islam USP joka SWGH Hill District Bikash Kumar ulapentikina malakam yakini bara register haka Mandraganj Police Station apangat yaki haka Foreigners Act bat kumjuru kajing toket yaki kumlugi orang Sha India lanang ya Shahmat.
Yesterday night at around 11:42 p.m. Near SWGH petrol post, one Bolero pickup was intercepted, bearing registration number AS34C 0613. The vehicle was being driven by one Muhammad Nur Hussain, who is a resident of South Salmara district, Mankacha, Assam. The Bolero pickup was coming from Gopinath Kila and it was going towards Assam. On verification, it was found that 5 occupants were there who were suspected to be Bangladeshi nationals. Accordingly, the vehicle, driver and the suspected persons were brought to SWGH PP for verifications. And in their possession, 5 number of Indian Adhaar cards, 2 mobile phones, one SIM card of India Airtel and other made in Bangladesh products were recovered. And those persons informed that they are Bangladeshi nationals and they were planning to go to West Bengal for labor work. It is to be informed that necessary action in this has been taken and a case under BNS for forgery and under Foreigners Act has been registered and investigation is on in this case. I'd like to inform that in the last 3 months, total 27 Bangladeshi nationals closely with BSF and other sister agencies. The local community are very supportive and we have engaged them and they report to us every suspicious activity or any suspicious person that goes around in the international border area. They always report to us and we have intensified our surveillance mechanism so that these illegal entry that is happening along international borders can be checked and we can put an end to it.